Easy crafts. How to make a talking frog. For this activity, you will need white paper, a set of felt tip pens, and scissors. Step 1. Fold a big triangle with the white paper as shown so that the short edge touches the long edge. Step 2. Fold the excess paper and cut it off so that the paper forms a square. Step 3. Using the square paper, fold the corners inwards to the center. Step 4. Turn the square around and fold the corners inwards to the center. Step 5. Fold one corner to the center. This will be the frog's mouth. Step 6. Fold the two edges closest to the newly formed triangle to the center, as shown by the demonstrator. Step 7. Turn the paper around and follow the demonstrator pop out the ears of the talking frog. Step 8. Fold the excess paper in half along the long edge 3 times to make a paper stick. Step 9. Rip out a bit of paper at the bottom of the frog. Step 10. Put the paper stick through the hole and up the mouth of the frog. Step 11. Fold the mouth down and adjust until the mouth moves when you push and pull the stick. Step 12. Decorate the frog. Here is our finished product, the frog. The talking frog was created and demonstrated by Rachel Lamb. The video created and edited by Victor Lamb. Don't forget to like and subscribe.